Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on sunlight mode on Xiaomi. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Sunlight mode provides extra brightness when using the phone under sunlight and it makes a better viewing experience by turning on this mode. And how to turn this on? It's so simple. So first of all, you can open your settings on your phone. Now you can just scroll down. There is an option display and brightness. You can just tap on that. And you can find on the brightness level section, there is an option like ultra brightness and silent light mode. You can turn on the silent light mode by tap on the toggle on here. So the silent light mode adjust brightness to strong ambient light to prevent the screen from going too dark. So here's where you can turn on the sunlight mode. It's so simple, right? This mode came to Xiaomi smartphone with MIUI 11 version. The mode description adjusts the brightness to strong ambient light when automatic brightness is off. So if you get 500 nits as default, you can get 1000 nits using sunlight mode. Sunlight mode is enabled by default and automatically brightness. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on sunlight mode on Xiaomi. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!